Alright, so I got a Megan Racing catback for my Civic. I already got rid of my Yonaka, a little bit too quiet for my taste, so I thought I'd pick this up. I haven't seen too much on it, so I thought I'd just make a quick video. Just like an inbox video. I'm not gonna do like an install or nothing. I'll do like a exhaust clip later on, but I'll just do like a quick unboxing since I don't see too much videos on this specific exhaust anyway, especially for the 5th gen Civic. Here's the part number for it, and I'll leave a link below also as well to it, but I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of it. So this is what you get when you get it unboxed. Not packaged too bad. So you get all the necessary hardware. They actually do supply the donut, which is pretty nice. And then all the let me get this unpacked and then I'll show you the actual system. Alright, so this is it out of the box. Pretty nice setup actually. You can tell it's going to be sitting at a slant. All you included hardware, gasket, the donut, because I mean this one runs that donut right on that S-pipe there. This is that setup. I'll leave a link to it. I don't see too many other Civic hatches, my 5th gens anyway, with the similar setup, so I thought I'd grab this. Definitely wanted something different other than the Yonaka I had. Yonaka was a little bit too quiet for me, and I was gonna actually get rid of the resonator on that, but I kind of want. I like the fork cans. I'm not gonna lie. As long as they sound good. So we'll see how this one sounds. Definitely, I don't run silencers or anything, so I'll probably come out. But I'm gonna get this bolted up and see how it sounds. Alright, so it's been actually a couple months actually since I put this on, so I wanted to show what it is. It's a 421 header, no cat, and the Megan Racing catback, of course. Let's just see what that sounds like. I'm not gonna go driving like crazy. I got some neighbors. I don't want them to get mad at me, so. So that's what the Megan Racing catback sounds like. And since I'm out here, yeah, the car has gone through a few different changes in the last few months since I made my last video. Get some slipstreams. Changed out the headlights. Got rid of the bumper, had a light bar, spoon lip. I found a block off plate. I do not have my clears no more right now. Spoon wrap wing is gone. Kind of wanted to be a little bit more subtle, I guess you could say. That's how it is as of now. Definitely not a quiet exhaust, but it's not too bad driving. It's not, how you say, there's not much drone actually, surprisingly. That's it for now. I'll make a video dedicated to actually what it sounds like. Possibly another day. The reason it took me a while to do this one is I actually had to have that test pipe cut down there. Probably can't see it. Yeah, there you go. And I actually just had a pipe welded in its place because it was rattling pretty badly. I didn't want to make a video of it with the rattle. I mean, it still sounds like it's kind of hitting something. I'm not too sure. It's not as bad, so I could kind of live with it. But that's it for now. Just wanted to make a quick video before I park it.